Hello everyone. Continuing with the same topic of class 11th, permutations. We were on restricted permutations and the question for today, how many different numbers of 4 digits? So first of all, we need 4 digits. Each can be formed with the 10 digits when the digits are not repeated. So repetition हमें allowed नहीं है. We are not supposed to repeat any particular digit. सो जब भी हम 4 डिजिट नंबर फॉर्म करते हैं, फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस इज़ ऑलवेज एक्सक्लूडिंग ज़ीरो. यहाँ पर हम ज़ीरो नहीं लिख सकते. अगर हम यहाँ पर ज़ीरो लिखेंगे तो हमारा ये 3 डिजिट नंबर हो जाएगा इन प्लेस ऑफ अ 4 डिजिट नंबर. सो एक्सक्लूडिंग ज़ीरो वी हैव एग्जैक्टली 9 वेज टू फिल दिस प्लेस. हाउ 9 वेज? ज़ीरो हटा दिया, वी आर लेफ्ट विद 9 डिजिट्स. So 9 ways we have. Now in this place we have 3 remaining places and 9 digits are left because the one जो यहाँ पर आ चुका है already उसको हम repeat नहीं करेंगे. उसके अलावा we are left with 9 more digits. So out of 9 digits we have 3 places to fill. That means selection and arrangement of 3 items out of 9 items. So 9 choices we have, but we have to select 3 and arrange them. So total ways are, or total numbers which we are making are 9 into 9p3. So 9p3 means 9 factorial upon 9 minus 3 factorial. So 9 into 9 minus 3 is 6. So we will boil it down to 6. 9, 8, 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial. Now multiplying all of them we will get the answer 4536. Now moving on to the next question. Now the digits are given. फ्रॉम द डिजिट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 इन्हीं में से सिलेक्ट करना है, इन्हीं में अरेंज करना है. हाउ मेनी 3 डिजिट ऑड नंबर्स? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 प्लेसेस आर टू बी फिल्ड. ऑड नंबर्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड when the repetition is not allowed. Again we are not allowed to repeat any digit. जो digit यूज़ हो जाएगा उसको हम repeat नहीं करेंगे. odd numbers means we have. Now selection can be done from this set only. So 1, 3 and 5. Only 3 choices we can fill up this place. नंबर तभी ऑड होगा जब यूनिट प्लेस पर या 1 होगा, 3 होगा या फिर 5 होगा. So exactly 3 ways to fill it. So to make the number odd, only 3 choices we have. या तो हम यहाँ पर 1 लिख सकते हैं या 3 या 5. So total 3 choices we have. Now for these two, we have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers, 6 digits. But एक नंबर सबसे पहले यहाँ पर फिल करेंगे out of these 3. So we are left with 5 numbers. 5 में से हमें 2 फिल करने हैं. So for these 2 places we have 5p2, selection of 2 numbers out of 5 numbers as well as arrangement. So this is how we are going to do it. 5 factorial upon 5 minus 2 factorial into 3. So 5 upon 3 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So the final answer is 60. Total 60 odd numbers of 3 digits are there. Okay, next question on the digits is, how many different numbers of 6 digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 can be formed and the digits are also given. And you can observe in the given digits we have 0 also. So first of all in this place 0 can never come. यहाँ पर 0 आएगा, so the number will become a 5 digit number, which is why we have to exclude 0 here. अब 0 को हटाकर वी आर लेफ्ट विद 5 choices, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 ways we can fill this place. Now here any type of number can come. The number which we have already filled here, जो यहाँ पर पहले से हमने प्रेजेंट कर दिया, अब वी आर लेफ्ट विद 5 डिजिट. सपोज यहाँ पर 7 आ गया, तो अब 7 हटा के भी हम 5 डिजिट्स बाकी हैं. 5 डिजिट्स को लेकर वी हैव हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन फिल दीज प्लेसेस आर टोटल 5 places, 5 numbers. So we have to select and arrange 5 numbers for 5 places, 5p5. So we have total ways 5p5 into 5. Now we have a continuation part of this question. How many of these numbers are divisible by 10? 10 से कोई नंबर तब divisible होता है जब यूनिट प्लेस पर 0 हो, otherwise it will not be divisible by 10. So in the 6 places we have to fix 0 here, we have to exclude 0 from here. These are the conditions. So to exclude 0 here we have 5 ways to fill this, 5 options, so 5 ways. And to fix 0 here we have exactly one way. एक ही तरीका है हम इसमें 0 लिख सकते हैं. प्लेस भी फिक्स है एंड उसमें क्या डिजिट लिखनी है वो भी फिक्स है. सो एग्जैक्टली वन पॉसिबल वे. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद 1 2 3 4 ऑप्शंस. 4 डिजिट्स आर लेफ्ट एंड 4 डिजिट्स आर लेफ्ट इन द ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो. 0 भी निकाल दिया एंड द डिजिट रिटन हेयर वो भी निकाल दिया, सपोज 7. So 4 digits are to be filled in 4 places. Clearly it is 4p4. So 4p4 is equal to 4 factorial into 1. So which is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 120. One more part we have, and that third part is how many of them will have 0 in the tens place. So 6 digit number we were doing on, and the digits were 317095. Now again exclude 0 in the first place. So we have 5 ways to fill it. 0 has to occur in this place. Fixing, so exactly one possible way to do this. Again we are left with 4 leftover digits and 4 digits with which we can fill these places. So final answer is 5 into 4p4 into 1. Same as previous part. वहाँ in the previous part we have fixed 0 here because in that case the number will be divisible by 10. यहाँ पर इस place पर fix किया है. So this is the final answer. Solving will again get 120, just like the previous part. Next question based on digits. How many telephone numbers each of 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, can be formed with the digits 0 to 9, all I have written, if each number starts with 35? That means the number starting with 35 we have to fix 3 in the first place and 5 in the second place. And while fixing them we have exactly one way to do so. Place भी fix है, number भी fix है, so और कोई option ही नहीं है, no other way. So exactly one way to do this. Now they are saying and no digit appear more than once, so repetition not allowed. That means out of all the choices given, 3 and 5 we cannot use now. Now we have to fill 3 more places and choices we have are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 choices and we have to fill 3. So the final answer is 1 into 8p3. So 1 will not make change in the answer. 8 minus 3 factorial 8 factorial upon 5 factorial, and then we will solve it. And the answer is 336. So here I am ending the video, and coming up more videos on the further more topics of permutations. We have permutation of alike things, permutation of repeated things. So I'll try to cover as many topics as possible. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, click on the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.